Welcome back, digital marketers. As savvy advertisers, we know that success lies not just in creating compelling ads, but also in effectively tracking their performance. That's what today's episode is all about, unlocking the secrets of Facebook ad tracking so you can level up your ad game. Let's get right to it. When I'm on Facebook ad mission, I've got my eagle eye on four main KPI. They're CPL, CTR, CPC, and cost per unique link clicks. First up, CPL or cost per lead. Now, this is a tricky one because it varies from industry to industry. So, a quick Google search on your field's averages is a good starting point. But stick with me, and soon you'll be not just meeting, but beating those averages. Next, let's look at the click-through rate or CTR. It's essentially a measure of how well your ad is driving traffic. You want your ad to stand out from the crowd, to catch the viewer's eye, and make them stop scrolling and start reading. Aim for a CTR of around 3%. That's the sweet spot. Anything less than 1%, though, means it might be time for a creative revamp. Moving on to cost per click or CPC. This one gives you the average cost of each link click. You want this below $1.5. If it's going up to $4, it's time to rethink your copy. Now, let's take these insights to action. It's time to tweak our Facebook layout and keep an eye on these vital KPIs. Go on, hit pause, and mimic my setup. That's all for today. Remember, the key to a successful ad campaign lies in tracking the right KPI and tweaking your strategies based on what they reveal. Stick with these tips, and your Facebook ads will be popping in no time. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow. Until next time, keep those ads rolling and those clicks coming.